I am writing a story. I am writing a story. She is watching a movie. She is watching a movie. He is painting a picture. He is painting a picture. We are going shopping. We are going shopping. The bus is moving fast. The bus is moving fast. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. I am learning math. I am learning math. She is opening a gift. She is opening a gift. He is taking a photo. He is taking a photo. We are drinking juice. We are drinking juice. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. She is reading the news. She is reading the news. He is learning to swim. He is learning to swim. We are building a house. We are building a house. The water is cold. The water is cold. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. I am wearing a hat. I am wearing a hat. She is smiling at me. She is smiling at me. He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. We are playing music. We are playing music. The pen is blue. The pen is blue. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. I am opening the box. I am opening the box. She is closing the book. She is closing the book. He is calling his friend. He is calling his friend. We are learning science. We are learning science. The ground is wet. The ground is wet. The road is long. The road is long. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. He is fixing the light. He is fixing the light. We are buying clothes. We are buying clothes. The fruit is sweet. The fruit is sweet. The soup is tasty. The soup is tasty. I am drinking coffee. I am drinking coffee. She is baking bread. She is baking bread. He is watering plants. He is watering plants. We are visiting friends. We are visiting friends. The boat is sailing. The boat is sailing. The fish is small. The fish is small. I am learning English words. I am learning English words. She is folding clothes. She is folding clothes. He is playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar. We are eating dinner. We are eating dinner. The chair is broken. The chair is broken. The table is round. The table is round. I am watching birds. I am watching birds. She is helping her brother. She is helping her brother. He is washing the car. He is washing the car. We are studying hard. We are studying hard. The dog is running. The dog is running. The cat is jumping. The cat is jumping. I am buying fruits. I am buying fruits. She is cleaning the kitchen. She is cleaning the kitchen. He is reading loudly. He is reading loudly. We are watching stars. We are watching stars. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. The river is deep. The river is deep. I am washing dishes. I am washing dishes. She is writing notes. She is writing notes. He is planting trees. He is planting trees. We are working together. We are working together. The bag is red. The bag is red. The shoes are new. The shoes are new. I am opening my laptop. I am opening my laptop. She is checking her phone. She is checking her phone. He is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. We are playing with friends. We are playing with friends. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The flowers are red. The flowers are red. I am visiting my uncle. I am visiting my uncle. She is cooking lunch. She is cooking lunch. He is telling a story. He is telling a story. We are learning new skills. We are learning new skills. The bag is light. The bag is light. The box is big. The box is big. I am wearing glasses. I am wearing glasses. She is feeding the dog. She is feeding the dog. He is ironing clothes. He is ironing clothes. We are building a wall. We are building a wall. The ice is melting. The ice is melting. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. I am opening the window. I am opening the window. She is closing the door. She is closing the door. He is cleaning his shoes. He is cleaning his shoes. We are drawing pictures. We are drawing pictures. The bell is loud. The bell is loud. The clock is round. The clock is round. I am riding a scooter. I am riding a scooter. She is holding a bag. She is holding a bag. He is wearing a cap. He is wearing a cap. We are learning fast. We are learning fast. The car is red. The car is red. The bus is yellow. The bus is yellow. I am typing a message. I am typing a message. She is reading a poem. She is reading a poem. He is drinking water. He is drinking water. We are playing outside. We are playing outside. The dog is brown. The dog is brown. The cat is white. The cat is white. I am opening my bag. I am opening my bag. She is drinking orange juice. She is drinking orange juice. He is fixing the fan. He is fixing the fan. We are cooking food. We are cooking food. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The moon is round. The moon is round. I am writing in English. I am writing in English. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. He is buying milk. He is buying milk. We are going to school. We are going to school. The train is late. The train is late. The bus is empty. The bus is empty. I am playing with toys. I am playing with toys. She is washing her hands. She is washing her hands. He is running slowly. He is running slowly. We are clapping hands. We are clapping hands. The stars are bright. The stars are bright. The clouds are white. The clouds are white. I am wearing a red shirt. I am wearing a red shirt. She is writing homework. She is writing homework. He is cooking chicken. He is cooking chicken. We are studying English. We are studying English. The table is clean. The table is clean. The chair is small. The chair is small. I am drinking milk. I am drinking milk. She is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. He is fixing his bike. He is fixing his bike. We are going to the park. We are going to the park. The water is clear. The water is clear. The mountain is high. The mountain is high. I am writing notes. I am writing notes. She is painting walls. She is painting walls. He is cleaning the table. He is cleaning the table. We are eating fruits. We are eating fruits. The box is empty. The box is empty. The glass is full. The glass is full. I am opening a shop. I am opening a shop. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He is speaking slowly. He is speaking slowly. We are listening carefully. We are listening carefully. The ice cream is cold. The ice cream is cold. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. I am helping my mother. I am helping my mother. She is calling her friend. She is calling her friend. He is brushing his teeth. He is brushing his teeth. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. The bus is blue. The bus is blue. The car is fast. The car is fast. I am sitting on a chair. I am sitting on a chair. She is standing near the door. She is standing near the door. He is writing on paper. He is writing on paper. We are playing chess. We are playing chess. The shop is small. The shop is small. The market is big. The market is big. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. She is cooking rice. She is cooking rice. He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. We are studying lessons. We are studying lessons. The lamp is bright. The lamp is bright. The fan is slow. The fan is slow. I am walking fast. I am walking fast. She is running quickly. She is running quickly. He is jumping high. He is jumping high. We are playing football. We are playing football. The road is narrow. The road is narrow. The street is wide. The street is wide. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. She is singing softly. She is singing softly. He is laughing loudly. He is laughing loudly. We are clapping together. We are clapping together. The baby is happy. The baby is happy. The girl is sad. The girl is sad. I am reading English. I am reading English. She is learning quickly. She is learning quickly. He is playing games. He is playing games. We are learning English daily. We are learning English daily. The house is big. The house is big. The room is small. The room is small. I am wearing new shoes. I am wearing new shoes. She is wearing a yellow dress. She is wearing a yellow dress. He is wearing black pants. He is wearing black pants. We are wearing clean clothes. We are wearing clean clothes. The train is fast. The train is fast. The plane is slow. The plane is slow. I am learning to cook. I am learning to cook. She is cooking for family. She is cooking for family. He is fixing the table. He is fixing the table. We are helping each other. We are helping each other. The dog is friendly. The dog is friendly. The cat is lazy. The cat is lazy. I am drinking water daily. I am drinking water daily. She is learning new words. She is learning new words. He is running in the park. He is running in the park. We are studying English words. We are studying English words. The stars are many. The stars are many. The moon is white. The moon is white. I am writing stories. I am writing stories. She is learning English fast. She is learning English fast.